In biological molecules, you learned about starch. This starch can be broken down into its disaccharide called maltose. Starch is a polysaccharide. Starch is a polysaccharide made up of many glucose molecules. Many glucose molecules. Polysaccharide. But we can break these molecules as disaccharide. Disaccharide එක විතර break කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ. But it requires energy. මේකට energy ඕන. නිකන් කැඩෙන්න බෑනේ. We have to provide energy. But that energy is too high. ගොඩක් වැඩි. අහගන්න මේක. Right. Energy is too high. Now we want to do this reaction using a minimum amount of energy. Energy චුට්ටකින් මේක කරගන්න ඕන. That is why we are adding enzyme to the mixture. What they do? Enzymes reduce the activation energy and let the molecules to break down. The enzyme we use here is amylase. Right? Amylase is the starch broken down into maltose. Why? Activation energy. Into maltose.